This the brain. It's embedded with billions of tiny nanocapacitors. And these nanocapacitors communicate directly with the brain's electrical system, telling it to turn down the volume of the pain signal. The nanocapacitors are 100% safe and come with zero side effects. Kailo can be placed anywhere on your body and can be worn directly on the skin with adhesives or on fitted clothing. Even better, a single patch can be worn over and over and last for years. Since its release to the public, Kailo has helped over 1 million people. Even more impressive, they have a 95% positive customer rating from happy customers in more than 30 countries. Kailo is so confident in their product that they even provide a 90-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Kailo is truly the future of pain relief.